My name's Patrick Smith. I work for IFA Hotels and Resorts. I'm the Vice President of Asset Management for the company. Based here in Dubai, been here just over 4 years, and life moves pretty quick in Dubai. So.
Great. So we're here at AHIC, kind of halfway through. How's it been, and what are you guys doing here?
Yeah, as ever, it's our 4th year, I believe, at AHIC. It's one of the key events of the year for us as IFA Hotels and Resorts. Very busy, a lot of people in town, a lot of interest in this region, and money that is being generated in this region to spread elsewhere. So I think quite a wide range of nationalities that are here, and particularly from Brazil here, and Turks and Caicos, and Mozambique and the like. So yeah, the message is spreading far and wide. Yeah.
And what is it that you guys are looking for from an event like this? Who are you really looking to speak to, and what kind of business are you looking to do?
We're looking, it's an opportunity for us to showcase ourselves as a company, the different skills that we have in the firm. Typically what we're looking for are key players that are very strong in their local market but need that international assistance, if you like, and the know-how. So we're looking for developers who've probably got prime pieces of land, and where IFA, what we bring to the party is we come there with the management know-how of doing the development. We come with a strong client base of investors from a residential perspective, hotel operators that we have strong management agreements and relationships with, and then on top of all of that, as a firm, we bring equity to the table as well. So depending on the strengths or otherwise as those of those local developers or landowners or companies, we can slot those into place. So it's a good opportunity for us to showcase what we do.
Fine. Are you going to be involved in ATM later in the week?
Yeah, we've got a busy week ahead. We've got lots of people flying in. We'll be at the Arabian travel market. We have a stand there. Again, it's an important event for us to showcase what we do. And as we're growing and here in Dubai and elsewhere, yeah, so a busy week ahead.
Can you tell me a little bit about the projects that you have, underway at the moment, or
Sure.
Future plans?
So we have here in Dubai the iconic Palm Jumeirah. We're the largest investor on the Palm. We've got $2 billion worth of construction. Exciting times. We've handed over 2 of our first building, 250 units, that happened in December. We've got the Golden Mile, another 860 apartments next year, with the Fairmont Palm residence and the hotel there. So it's we're very much in the delivery stage at the moment. It's an exciting time. Elsewhere, we're doing projects in Africa. We've listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. We're launching our Seychelles project towards the end of the year. So there's a number of different ventures that are happening. We recently acquired a stake in Yotel, which is a capsule concept which is now trading our 2 assets in Heathrow and Gatwick, and Schiphol opening in August. So lots on. Yeah.
So I guess diversification is an important, integral part of the kind of stability of your business, and
very much so. I mean, diversification in terms of product type. So we range anything from working with hotels, room nights, to the extent that you could then buy that hotel room on a condo hotel ownership basis, buying a week of time in the one of our timeshare units, a month of time in a fractional development, right through to full freehold titled development. And so product diversification for sure, and then geographic diversification as well, and that's what we're actively looking at expansion to make sure we have that broad geographic mix.
I guess one of the issues that came up a little bit this morning and has come up is the credit crunch, a global downturn. How is that affecting your business at the moment, and do you see that as an obstacle this year?
We haven't felt it as yet. I think it would be naive to say that we will not feel anything relating to the credit crunch. I think it will have some kind of effect. I think it provides people from this region with opportunities to see what happens in the US. Maybe there's some potential acquisition opportunities there, as the market here remains fairly buoyant. So as yet, no, we haven't felt anything, but there may be some slightly greyer times to come, but I don't see it as anything substantial. There's just so much happening within the region that I think should be fine.
Okay, and we were here a couple of weeks ago for a WTTC event, and
yeah.
Sustainability was very much the issue there. Is that something that you're taking on board, or something that's an important part of your plans for the future?
Yeah, I mean, sustainability here is key, and you just see the level of construction and development that's happening. I mean, it's just phenomenal. I mean, I think the big thing for what we look at is, you know, we welcome this stuff coming into the market. The market is very hot. It's hotel rooms are record average rates, year-on-year substantial growth, and you know, we almost need this. You know, ironically, we're not building quick enough. You know, we need this stock to come into the market. From a residential standpoint, equally, I mean, I just paid my rent for the year, one check a year up front. I mean, such is the nature of the market. I mean, it's just crazy. You would never have that back in the UK. So again, that just sort of shows you the level of demand that's in this market. So they need to get building. We need to get these things up and running to sort of cool things down a bit. So ironically, perhaps we're not building quick enough. So
great. Just finally, I understand you're involved in the project The Legends in South Africa, is that right?
Yeah, the Legend Golf and Safari Resort.
Tell me anything more about that?
Yeah, no, it's a very exciting development, and it's just north of Johannesburg, about an hour and a half. It's a 20,000 hectare Big 5 game reserve with a golf course. It has the unique 18 signature designers per hole, with an extreme 19th, which takes you from helicopter up to the top of this mountain, and you try and tee off into this green at the bottom in the shape of Africa. It's quite an experience. I attempted it last year, and I got nowhere near the green. But it's yeah, no, it's a bit of a novelty, that aspect. But we had Gary Player there to open the estate for us, and it's a mind-blowingly beautiful development. And you know, to be so close to an international hub such as Johannesburg, it's an exciting one for us. So yeah, another exciting project coming your way.
So what did you score?
Yeah, I scored very badly. Yeah, but it was good fun. Enjoyed it.
Well,
yeah.
great. Thanks very much for
Thank you
your
very
time
much.
here, and good luck with everything.
Yeah, thank you very much.